Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mary Chef, and in today's video guys, I'm going to do cleaning with you, from washing clothes, cleaning the balcony, and also cleaning my bathroom. So guys, welcome to this yet another video, another interesting video. Yes guys, I've undone my hair. Yes, I have a pimple here, so don't worry guys. Cook dinner with you guys, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are in road to 1K subscribers, so guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Put the notification bell on so that every time I post a new video, you are going to be notified. So today is my off day, and I decided why not do a small video with you guys.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on me, babe. Send message after message, forward my calls. Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things?
You're sick of my madness. Don't you tell me what I'm supposed to do. You're better off without me. Don't you tell me what I'm supposed to do. When I'm walking on the streets half naked, it's bothering me, it's bothering me. When I'm making my bright makeup, it's bothering me, it's bothering me. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full. Get out of my life. I know what I'm supposed to do. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full. I know what I'm supposed to do. I know what I'm supposed to do. Supposed to do.
So guys, let's wipe our window, because our window looks so bad. This is how the window is. Let's wipe windows. See how there is so much dust. See? So guys, after cleaning, this is how the door turned out after cleaning it. It's now perfectly clean. Also the window, this is how it has turned out. The floor, this is how the floor has become clean. So I'm done cleaning the window and the door. So what next we are going to do is we are going to clean the bathroom. So guys, I've cleaned also my behind balcony. As you can see, this is how it has turned out. See, after cleaning it, this is how sparkling clean is. Guys, I'm done washing clothes, cleaning the balconies, the front and the behind. So the last thing which is remaining is to clean this bathroom. You see the way it is dirty. Okay, to clean the bathroom first before we call it a day. So this is the bathroom. So we need to scrub it plus the toilet. So let's begin.
With me, baby, don't wanna fall again. This just hurt me. Just think about it, but you hold me like you don't wanna break. I need some space. Just think about it. Maybe separate is better.
Finally, our bathroom is clean. This is how the outcome of the bathroom after cleaning it. As you can see, this is the wall, then the floor. You can see the floor is now perfectly clean. Here it is. See, our toilet is sparkling clean and white. So guys, we are done. Is ready. We have here bean stew and some chapati. So guys, I was not able to vlog or film when I was cooking supper, but this is the end results. So this is the end results. Welcome to supper. Today's supper is beans and chapati. Welcome guys. We have come to the end of the video. See you on the next one. Bye bye. Bye.